Hey Pitmasters, what is up? You won't believe what just got airdropped into my backyard. It's here, the Kamado Joe Big Joe number 3. Look at this thing, it's an absolute beast. Fantastic, right? Let's open her up and take a look inside this box. The new Kamado Joe Big Joe just got airdropped into Europe this month, and Kamado Joe was kind enough to ship me one. So let's open it up and take a look inside.
Everything is complete?
I hope so. It's not IKEA, everything will be complete. For sure. I'm really impressed by this new cart. It looks really good, super stable. I love these wheels. Wheels for me are one of the most important things, so far they're looking good.
No, it's filling.
Woohoo! Yeah, testing it, man. If I can't put my grill on it, it surely should hold me. We're good.
You're balancing on the wrong spot.
I gotta go. Yeah, that could be a problem, but
Yeah.
hey, I'm the guy that tests these things to the max. This is the difficult part. Now we just gotta lift it in. So you gonna help me, Morrison? 1, 2, 3. Hey!
It's not a camera.
It's not a camera. No,
Okay.
it's a grill.
It's doable.
Yeah, it's not that bad. I thought it, in my memory.
Here we can just slide it over.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh, okay.
1, 2, 3.
No way.
No way.
We just did it.
That's
Woohoo.
easy.
You're a world's strongest cameraman.
Let's do another one.
Yeah, sorry, I'm all out of grills. Oh, it looks freaking awesome. Dude, look at this. These legs, they are moving with the bumps, but the grill's still stable. It's like freaking me out. It's like springs in a car. Look at that. Just look at this thing. Do you see how the grill is still stable while the feet are moving? Now that's what I call farm life. If you want to move things around here, you need a wheelbarrow. But let's start building up our new Big Joe. I want to start at the bottom, so we're going to start with our firing. This is our base and it already weighs a lot. We're going to place it down here in the center and we're going to align it with the bottom vent. Then we're going to put in the scales of our firebox. Now this is the tricky part. While bringing a fire, we need to put these scales together and put the ring on top. Unbelievable. One try, one go, boom, secured. It's never gone this easy. No, not grilling just yet. We still have that to put in there. But that's the easy part. Just lift it in there. And you're ready. That's all. Ooh. Ooh. Maybe this is the big fat envelope I've been waiting for. It's payday, Morrison.
It looks like money.
It looks like 10,000 euros. What do you think? A guide to Kamado cooking.
But it's already assembled.
I am the guide to Kamado Joe cooking. There's also a bag there. You can throw it at your cameraman. One more. The ashtray. This one is important. I use this a lot.
Nice sound.
You like it, right? It's like a dentist sound. Really good. We forgot some things. Our Kamado Joe Big Joe top vent. And look, this is new. Oh, this is so smooth. Wow. This is super smooth. Awesome. This thing is freaking awesome. Now as the last thing, the side shells. And voila! Now the grill is fully assembled and look at this thing, it's an absolute beauty. Let's walk through the different setups. Of course you got your divide and conquer system, and what that basically is, it's separate levels with your deflector plates, your grill grates, and of course that well-known spider. This thing is an absolute treasure. You can put your wok in there, you can put a pan in there, you can use it to raise your deflector plates. And inside we have our charcoal basket, and that thing works so well. It's like a kick-ass basket. You can just shake your ashes through and it will make sure that you have a maximum airflow. You see how easy that is to take out, to remove it, to shake it off. Look at that. We can just remove it with the ring. We can put it back in. Look at it, put it back in. But the new thing that we haven't had before is the slow roller. And I'm excited about that. This is the first time that we're going to assemble it. Before we're going to do that, we're going to put away our ceramic heat deflectors. Someone thought about this on purpose. Can you imagine how much thought went into creating this barbecue? It's absolutely fantastic. Now this is our new slow roller unit, and I left it in the sun so I can't touch it with my bare hands. It's so hot. No, seriously. Okay, you try it.
Easy. Oh, okay.
Let's put it in. Now the ring on. Wow. And now the top on. Everything is locked in, all the air is locked in. It's kind of like it sucks it all to the top and then it comes out rolling and it kind of like starts spinning around. I've seen animations of this when they developed it, and the air starts rolling out and you get a maximum amount of airflow onto your meat with a lot of smoke. So it should have a better effect than anything other that is being created before. I'm so excited about this. So now all we need to do is put our grill grates on and she's ready to smoke. There's a lot of differences between the Kamado Joe 3 and the 2. Let's put the two side by side and compare them. There's a lot of difference with the wheels. It's much harder to roll around on this rough terrain that we've got.
The other one was a walk in the park.
Whose idea was it to film in the grass?
And now the hard part.
Whose idea was this? How did it look side by side? Wow, the new one looks way better. Oh, ooh, ooh. I got an idea for a picture. Bear with me. Ta-da! This is what rappers do, Marson. They stand on their Lamborghinis.
Oh, this is, yeah, okay, this is your Lamborghini, that's true.
This is my Lamborghini. Exercise, exercise. That's how we do it. The old Big Joe was a fantastic grill. It's basically my favorite ceramic grill. Even in size, it's just a big chunk of smoking machine. You can do anything you want on it. Coming up with one that is even better than this one. Man, that's a tall order, but they did it all right. Look at this. They used to have these plastic side shells, which are absolutely perfect. I love them. But what you get is if you put something hot on them, they kind of start melting away. And of course, this is what I did. It's my mistake. I shouldn't have done it, but you can't put a hot grill grate on top of them. It doesn't work. Now we've got the new aluminium versions. Fantastic, means I can put my grill grate on there. Don't do it, by the way, but you know, it's gonna happen to me anyway. The top vent. They improved the vent isolation up here and it looks so good. The old one had the big how's it called again? Marcel, how do you call this? Gasket. Gasket is the word. And then the cradle, the rolling cradle, it's improved so much and it looks so cool. Absolutely fantastic. The wheels are even better than they were, and they were of the highest quality, but now it just moves around all of this rough terrain so easily. Look, did you see this? It's like flappy bits. It's cable management that's underneath here. So if you're putting in your controller, you can manage your cables through these holes here. It's holding so well, you don't need to adjust it, you don't need to screw on anything. I was amazed how easily this assembly was. Can't wait to fire it up and start smoking. You want to light it up?
Yeah, come on, be serious. Put something on the grill or something.
Are you talking for the audience?
Yeah.
Or are you talking for yourself?
Both.
I'll light it up, put some charcoal in it, let's go. What do you want to put on your smoker when you first get it? The first thing you want to put on it, I like to put on a brisket. That's the ultimate test. I got a brisket right here. Oh, look at this thing, Black Angus. Brisket, whole packer. This is gonna be so good. Let's fire up our barbecue. The cat is back, that's awesome. I'm so excited. Man, I miss that animal. Zwarte Panther. 3 weeks he's gone. In the forest, they found him. Hey, you don't like briskets? You miss my briskets, right? Let's make some tasty briskets. All right, let's put in some big block. Put in some fire starters and light it up. Time to put our brisket on. Now that is a brisket. Come on, puppy. Let's start seasoning this smoker. Now a brisket like this deserves its own video. So if you want to see a proper how to smoke brisket on your new Kamado Joe Big Joe, watch the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and a special thank to all of your patrons. Hey, if you're looking for Pitmaster X merchandise, might want to check out this t-shirt. See you guys next time. Until then, eet smakelijk and keep on grilling.